Hi, welcome to my channel. Why did I do this? I don't know. If you want to know how I got this look by using Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. Okay, when you open it up, it comes like this. And let me pull out the card. And the theme of this month is Make Waves. So it looks like this. And then the back, as always, it has the names and description and prices of everything. So this video is going to be unboxing Boxycharm for May and also try-on. So I already got my eyebrows done because that takes me some time and I'm kind of picky with them, but this is what the box looks like this month. It's rectangle instead of square, and they do that sometimes depending on the products they have inside so they can fit in, but let's open it up. Okay, when you open it up, it comes like this. First thing we have is this. This is the GLAMGLOW GentleBubble Cleanser. It retails for $28. So it looks like this. The box is pretty cute. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay. And this says it gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanses gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acid can't speak today. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrances, and SLES free and for all skin types. So that's that. And I actually like it. It does kind of leave me like my skin a little bit dry, like but you know, it did its job. So I'm just gonna keep trying it and see how it goes. What I have next is this by Ciate. Is the Eyeliner Cream Eyeshadow. And this retails for $22. And it looks like this. Look at that. It's like a chrome type thing. Let me see. Let me see if I can swatch it because I am horrible at it. Ooh. Can you see that? It's like a pinkish, purplish. It's more purple than anything. Okay, so this is that. And I'm going to start off by doing my eyes. And I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. Okay, and I'm going to go, well, first let me prime my eyes. Okay, I'm going to be using this by Lorac. And I'm just going to take a little bit of it, and just apply it to my eyes. This will make sure that my eyeshadow lasts all day. I'm going to use this shade. It's called Buon Fresco. And I'm using an R40 by Morphe. So I'm going to apply it on the crease. Okay, I'm going to add some to the outer corner. Pretty much the whole lid. Some to the outer and inner, outer and inner, and I'm just going to pack it on. I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Golden Orch. I'm not good at pronunciating, so get used to it. I'm going to go in with this shade called Burmere, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. Okay, I'm going to be using this by Luxie. It's a 245 small shader brush. So I'm going to go and put it on my crease, on my lid. Okay, so I'm just doing that as a shimmer base. Okay, let's see if my idea is working of what I want, because if not, then we're doomed. So I'm going to be using the Ciate Color Shifting Pigment. And this is in shade, what shade are you, kiddo? It doesn't have a shade. You don't have a shade? Well, it says your new Ciate London Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic, glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage. Luster blended out for sheer sparkle or applied over any shadow as a topper. Okay, but it doesn't have a name. I don't see a name. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna go for it. Applicator looks like this. And let's just put it on our eyes. Or on my eye. Are you blind? Okay, this is what we're working with. It is like bright, as you can see. I'm feeling a little bit like little caterpillars or something jumping on my eyes or walking. I think my eyes are just too sensitive for certain things. But I am feeling some like burning sensation. That has happened with me with different products, so it is pretty though. Like you see, it is very pretty. But I'm gonna go back and use the same shade, Buen Fresco. Kind of like put some on the outer corner. I'm gonna go in with this color called Antique Bronze, and I'm gonna add it to the outer corner. Let's see if that does something, because I kind of want to deepen it up. Next, I have this Biography eye pencil, which looks like this. So let me, oh, this feels very dry. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's this color right here, but the formula, it's very dry, and my eyes are sensitive. So should I try this? And I'm gonna put it on my waterline. Oh my god, this is so dry. I forgot to say, this retails for $14. Not my favorite, but it says it's vegan, cruelty-free biography, bodyography. I keep saying biography. The pencil, it's antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can be framed, fill in, and define the lips. So you can use this as an eyeliner. I think it's too rough for my eyes. Not my favorite thing, but you know what? It says eye pencil, so I don't know. For my lips, it's too hard. Ugh. Yeah, and that retails for 14 bucks. So I'm gonna do my eyeliner. And I'm using this by NYX. It's the matte liquid liner. Okay, so lashes are on. And I have some glow still there, but don't worry, it's gonna dry up. Primer, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild Water Drop Primer in Coconut. And I'm gonna put some in there. Whoop. And let's put it all over your face. This feels so cooling. And it smells delicious. I'm gonna spray some Marb Disque facial spray. I'm gonna be using this Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And I'm gonna be mixing it with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in shade, what shade are you in? 128 Warm Nude, which is this. Any more left of this? Okay, for foundation, I'm gonna be using this Morphe G6. For concealer, I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade 345 Medium Sand. I'm using my e.l.f. sponge. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using this Lorac Contour Pro palette. You can see it's very loved, and I'm going to be using these shades. I'm going to kind of mix them in. This is more of a banana shade, but I'm going to go and mix them up. And this is a Luxie 522 tapered highlight, but I use this to set under my eyes. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever Pro Finish setting powder in shade 120, which looks like this. And I'm grabbing a Morphe MB1. And I'm just tapping and pushing the product. Going back with my Lorac Pro Contour, and I'm going to be using the shade Medium. Looks like this. I'm going to go with a light contour and lightly contour my nose.
Slightly.
Go and from the Boxycharm, I'm going to grab this ALAMAR Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, the inside, and then the packaging looks like this. They're all shimmery except Paraíso. Let me swatch Castaway. This. Can you see it? It's this. It's very orange and it's pretty bright. Ugh. Let me swatch Scorchet. This one's more like a darker orange. Oh, and lastly, Paraíso. I'm not really a blush person, so I'm not gonna go with the oranges. I'm probably gonna go with Paraíso, which is the pink shade. And I'm just gonna be using the Luxie Small Contouring. Ooh, it's very, has a lot of fallout. Like, can you see that? Okay, so, ooh, it's pigmented. My god. Oof. Okay, this retails for $20. Pretty, but for sure pigmented. For highlight, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder in shade Golden Brown, no, Golden Flower Crown. Which is this. It's this one. I'm gonna set my face with the Mario Badescu facial spray. And last on the box, I have this by Dose of Colors. Wow, we have Dose of Colors here. In the shade Stone, this is a liquid matte lipstick. I believe I already, I had this shade previously, but I lost it. Which looks like this. Let me swatch it, because I think I already, tried this color. Yep. Look at that. Beautiful. I love Dose of Colors. That retails for $18. I'm gonna add up all the prices of every single product and let's see how much it is. Total is $104, and you paid $21. We're gonna get tired, and I honestly think you should subscribe to Boxycharm. It's like one of the best subscriptions up there. That is not sponsored, and just my personal opinion. I love Boxycharm, and as long as I live and as long as I have money in my account, which it's not much, $21, I'll be subscribed to this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.